Best 360 degrees cameras. Number 3. Vuze 3D 360 degrees 4K VR camera. Capture 3D 360 VR video footage with the push of a button. Create your VR experience with our supplied VR Studio software. Relive and share your high-quality 4K 3D 360 videos on Humanizazone or any other video platform including YouTube, Facebook, Vimeo. Pros: includes 8 HD lenses and MUM's 48 kHz microphones. 2 hours of rechargeable battery life. Lightweight and compact design. Captures 360 degrees video in 4K with stereoscopic 3D. Multiple colors available. Cons: the ability to easily capture, edit, and share stunning 4K 360 degrees videos comes at a high price. Bottom line: if you need an easy-to-use camera that takes top-tier 360 degrees video while meticulously capturing the finest details, and money is no object, the Vuze 3D 360 4K VR video camera should be on your radar. Number 2. Kodak PIXPRO SP 360 4K Premier Pack VR Camera. Introducing the Kodak PIXPRO SP 360 4K VR camera, designed to take your creative vision full 360 degrees. 4K resolution adds ample detail, clarity and precision for important nuances you want to capture and share. Experience the flexibility, power and performance of the SP 360 4K and take your virtual reality content to new heights. Kodak PIXPRO digital cameras, tell your story. Pros: super simple to use. 360 degrees 4K videos and photos. Freeze-proof. Water-resistant. Rugged design. Includes many accessories, lens cover, carrying case, bar mount, battery, cleaning cloth. Cons: unfortunately, you'll only get 45 minutes of shooting 360 degrees video in 4K, but you'll maximize your battery life by using a lower resolution. Bottom line: this Kodak VR camera is extraordinarily easy to use, fairly affordable, and takes quality videos. Plus it comes bundled with a wide range of useful accessories to get you started. Number 1. GoPro Max. The GoPro Max offers many of the features you'd expect to find on the iconic company's action cams, but in a much more immersive format. It can connect to a mobile device where it supports live streaming at 1080p, or you can download photos and videos to your computer. Pros: professional grade stabilization, great audio, easy to learn and use, 4 digital lenses, excellent panoramic photos, time-lapse mode, 1080p video, convenient editing companion app. Cons: a fairly pricey 360 degrees camera. Bottom line: this camera captures breathtaking 5.6K photos and impressive videos, and it is so simple to use, anyone can create magic with it. To buy or check price, click the links in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.